Water. What is it? It's at the beach, lakes, ponds, rivers, and even in your house. Water is everywhere. We are made up of 70% of water. Water is the source of life. Water is an essential resource to every living thing that lives and breathes on Earth. Plants, insects, animals, and humans. Without water, our world would be a failure. And we are already failing. Water is becoming tainted with chemicals, oils, dirt, pathogens, and other unhealthy substances that affect all living things. Our water isn't pure and clean anymore. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies including lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers, and groundwater. This form of environmental degradation occurs when pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into bodies of water without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. Water pollution is the leading worldwide cause of death and diseases. That accounts for more than 14,000 people's deaths daily. An estimated 580 people in India die of water pollution-related illness every day. The head of China's National Development Agency said that in 2007, 1/4 of the length of China's 7 main rivers were so poisoned the water harmed skin. Around 90% of the water in the cities of China is polluted, and as of 2007, 500 million Chinese had no safe drinking water. In the most recent national report on water equality in the US, 45% of assessed stream miles, 47% of assessed lake acres, and 32% of assessed bays in estuarine square miles were classified as polluted. Volcanoes, algae blooms, storms, and earthquakes also caused major changes in water quality and the ecological status of water. Man-made chemicals, pathogens such as salmonella and parasitic worms, eutrophication, which is an increase in the concentration of chemical nutrients in an ecosystem to an extent that increases in the primary productivity of the ecosystem, or oxygen depletion. Two other types of pollutants include organic and inorganic. Some organic examples are detergents, disinfection byproducts, food processing waste, including fats and grease, insecticides, jet fuel, and drug pollution. Some inorganic examples would be sediment, ammonia, chemical waste, acid, trash or garbage, paper, plastic, food waste, shipwrecks. Thermal pollution is also a pollutant. which includes the rise or fall in the temperatures of a natural body of water caused by human influence. The main problem caused by water pollution is that it kills life that depends on these water bodies. Dead fish, crabs, birds, seagulls, dolphins, and many other animals often wind up on beaches killed by pollutants and their habitat. Pollution disrupts the natural food chain as well. Pollutants such as lead are eaten by tiny animals. Later, these animals are consumed by fish and shellfish, and the food chain continues to be disrupted at all higher levels. Humans are affected by this food chain as well. People can get diseases such as hepatitis by eating seafood that has been poisoned. In many poor nations, there is always an outbreak of diseases as a result of poor drinking treatment from contaminated waters. Ecosystems can be severely changed or destroyed by water pollution. Many areas are now being affected by careless human pollution, and this pollution is coming back to hurt humans in many ways. There are some real financial implications that result from water pollution. It can cost a lot more to purify drinking water that takes its source from nutrient-polluted water bodies. Fishing stock is affected negatively when there is depletion of oxygen. Consumers are also wary of fish from these sources and stay away, costing fisheries to lose revenue. In places where there are water activities or sports, lots of money is spent to clean up the water from algae blooms and the like. One, never throw rubbish away anyhow. Always look for the correct waste bin. If there are none around, take it home and throw it away there. This includes places like the beach, riverside, and other water bodies. 2. Use water wisely. Do not keep the tap running when not in use. Reduce the amount of water you use in washing and bathing. We can significantly prevent water shortages and reduce the amount of dirty water that needs treatment. 3. Do not throw chemicals, oils, paints, and medicines down the sink, drain, or toilet. Check local authorities if there is a chemical disposal plan for local residents. 4. Buy more environmentally safe cleaning liquids for use at home and other public places. 5. Be mindful to not overuse pesticides and fertilizers. This will reduce runoffs into nearby water sources, and start looking at options of composting and using organic manure. 6. If you live close to a water body, try to plant lots of trees and flowers around your home so that when it rains, chemicals from your house do not easily drain. And 7. Look into water organizations and groups to get better educated. Water pollution is causing great distress on our environment. The water in our environment is not as rich, clean, and pure as it should and can be. By helping keep water clean through our prevention and solution steps, we can help keep water clean and less contaminated than it is. With this, we can find a clearer future for our water sources.